Cross creasing is really going to be valuable to the customer who's running high quality print. Cross crease technology is using the tooled interferences to stress the paper before we go to a folding operation. So that is allowing us to fold these heavier weight materials without cracking the print. The print doesn't feel it, it won't crack when we fold it. Gloss coatings on heavier substrates, postcards, anything direct mail related, self-mailing applications on thicker papers, greeting cards. This is really exciting for EMT. We are now able to complete the thickness range and keep up with the high print quality from printers nowadays. This high quality crease will allow us to fold and finish the higher quality print materials in the direct mail spaces. Here, the cross creasing can be set up automatically through recipes and barcodes. Where the cross creasing technology then is beneficial to our customers is that the operator is out of the equation. There's less hands-on machine time trying to set positions of the different tooling. This is market-leading technology in the digital finishing space.